Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you UGC NET exam CSPYQ. This question has asked in December 2018. This is the question number 14. In computer, subtraction is generally carried out by what? Subtraction, addition in the computer system using only by 2's complement. Why? Because 2's complement doesn't require any sign bit. I have explained many videos in the 2's complement number system. So you can see in the as a sign bit we required for the positive number, then sign bit is 0, and negative number it is 1. So in the 2's complement, first bit automatically, if minus number is there, negative number is there, automatically first bit will come in the 1. You can check it any negative values in the 2's complement, and positive numbers will come 0 automatically. So that is why we doesn't need in the sign bit for any addition and subtraction. Okay, so the correct answer is option number B. Thank you very much for watching this video.